days, when the weather kept changing, Jack Frost had visited in the night.
Oh, boys a dear. Is that cow that would skin ye?
But it wasn't long before the sunshine melted the frost away.
Oh, boys, it's gay here now.
If it's warm over there, why is it still cold and frosty over here, Mac?
Well, now, it's cold because you're standing in the shade. The sun's rays can't reach you out of the honour.
By lunchtime, it was raining.
And boys a dear, the ones are queer plump.
But then it was sunny again, and then it started raining.
And the other plump.
Mac, what's your favourite weather?
Well, now, let me hear think on. I dinna mind a blanket sin on a summer's day. But however much sin gets me all hay up.
That's because you never take your fur coat off.
A fresh autumn day is gay good for gathering nuts. Oh, but the wind could clean corn. In the winter, I dinna mind a wee skinkling of snaw.
Or the lovely deep snow, like when we got to build the snowman.
Aye, good deep snow's a thing for building a snowman. But I'm no that fond of the outbrew. In springtime, you can get a real pet wood, eh? And the odd wee scaft of rain isn't too bad. And anyways, wee feet, if it wasn't for the rain, we wouldn't have the puddles for splashing.
I know, Mac. I love the spring weather.
Rain or nae rain, wee feet, it's been a brave good day altogether.